Welcome to Mano Cooks. I'm Mano. Chai is everyone's favorite drink and masala chai will take the whole chai experience to a new level. On International Tea Day, let's make flavorful and energizing masala chai. To make the fresh masala for this tea, let's take some spices. Let's take cardamom, cloves, peppercorns, fennel seeds and cinnamon sticks. Please refer to the list for the measurements. Now let's take a mixer jar and grind it to a powder as shown in the video. Let's crush ginger and keep it aside. Measure and keep tea leaves, sugar and the ground masala. Now let's heat a pan on medium heat and add 1½ cups of water. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Once the water gets heated up, add 1 teaspoon crushed ginger followed by 1 teaspoon of ground masala. Allow it to boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of tea leaves. Let everything boil for another 3 minutes and you would see tea leaves have infused color to our water. That's the right time to add 1 cup of milk. Quick tip here, please do stand nearby while tea is boiling as chances are there it might get spilled. On medium flame, let's boil all this together for 5 minutes. Now let's add 2 tablespoons sugar and boil for 2 more minutes. At this point, we can see nice tea color and the aroma of the tea is filling up the whole house. It's time to turn off the flame and strain the tea. This International Tea Day, masala chai or spiced Indian tea or tea with full of fresh flavorful spices is a must try. Do try this at home and comment me down below if you would vote for Indian chai or masala chai. If you like this video, please remember to give a thumbs up, comment and share this video to all your friends and family. Enjoy masala chai tea with a nice music of your choice.